Welcome back to my channel, my friends. Today I have for you some quick unboxing video of this very useful on these days gadget. This is how you can see, Pulse Oximeter. It measures your blood oxygen, how much your blood has your oxygen, low or high. Low is bad, high is enough. So let's open this box. By the way, the model name is LK87. No brands. I bought this in Aliexpress, so the links I will let in description below. So okay, let's open this box and see what's in the box. So this is the oximeter itself. Then we have a short user guide or something like this. Then of course some kind of lace. You can hear. So here you can get this, and you will never lose this. And some quality check mark from manufacturer. So this is not interesting. This will take this to side, and this is it. Very useful. I saw this already on my doctor. There have something like this. So it operated with batteries. There is a two AAA batteries. It comes with batteries. You must buy it separately after you get this. So I already have these batteries, and we can see it has a very big display. So let's put this button, and you see it's very colorful numbers, and you must use this. I think you must get this on your finger and see and wait when it calculates your. I have 97. This is my 94 heart rate and 96 oxygen volume in my blood. So I think it's okay, or I must go inside. So this stuff is now very useful by the pandemic, and with this gadget you can control your oxygen volume in your blood. So I bought this for €3.50 in Aliexpress. How I mentioned it, I let the description below, the link in description below, so you can look at this gadget and maybe make choice to buy this. So this was a little short review or more unboxing video. So thanks for watching.